This is page 142 in your book. Up at the top of page 142, I highly recommend that you look in your book as you're watching this video. If you don't have your book ready, pause the video and then come back to it. All right, so let's read the problem together here. Jenny prepares a ceramic glaze mixture of feldspar, red iron oxide, and silica in the ratio of 5 to 2 to 3. The mass of the mixture is 1 kilogram, 200 grams. Find the mass of each ingredient used to prepare the mixture. So there's a few things going on here. First of all, we have 3 different quantities that we're dealing with instead of 2, like we've been doing up to this point. And the 3 different items start with F, R, and S. And so I'm listing them in the order that they're found so that I don't mix things up. And it is a mixture, but I don't want to mix things up. So the F number would be 5, and the R number, the red iron oxide, would be 2, and the silica would be 3. Now, it says that there's 1 kilogram, 200 grams in the total mixture. I need to know how many grams there are in a kilogram. If you don't know that, you can research it. But kilo means 1,000 in the metric system. So 1 kilogram or kilogram is 1,000 grams. So if we have 1,000 here and 200 here, we have 1,200. Let's take that 1,200 and we're going to divide that by the total of the mixture, which is 5 parts, 2 parts, and 3 parts. So here's the mixture right here. And we've got, let's see, let's go like that. And here's the feldspar, 5 parts. And here's the red iron oxide, 2 parts. And here's the silica, 3 parts. And that makes a total of 10 parts. So I'm going to divide that by 10 to figure out that each part has 120. Now at this point, it's pretty easy to figure out how much each has. The feldspar is going to have 5 times 120, which is equal to 600. And then the red iron oxide is going to have 2 times 120, which of course is 240 grams. And then the silica is equal to 3 times 120, which is 360 grams. Each one of those is grams because this number right here is grams. That's how you do it.